Hello, everyone. If you are here for the first time, I am Paulette. Welcome. If you are a family member of Summer Breeze Country Cabin Living, welcome back. Okay, so as you can see, it is quite messy outside. The leaves are starting to fall and looking a pretty mess already. As you can see, the leaves are turning and there are going to be a ton of them on the ground. So I'm going to do a little cleaning up here today. I'm going to start cleaning the doors because they are pretty filthy and needs a good clean. So you will see me start there. Then I'm going to sweep the deck and we're going to do a little decorating for fall. And I'm not going to be doing too much. I'm contemplating if I should paint up here. I'm not sure, but that will definitely be decided next spring. So what I'm going to be doing today is putting down a couple rugs because unfortunately I couldn't find the size that I was looking for, and I ended up buying two rugs. I'm gonna just prep it today, and tomorrow morning hopefully we can enjoy a nice quiet breakfast for two with me and hubby. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so these are the two rugs I had mentioned earlier, and had I waited, I would have most likely found the right size that I was looking for, because I did see a few left at Home Depot and a couple other different stores, but I was just afraid that the season was ending and I wasn't going to get what I was looking for. So I ended up with these two 5x7s. So we're going to make these. Alright everyone, so this is how the rug is looking. I think it looks really awesome and it also worked. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I've decided I'm just going to be adding a couple mums and a couple pumpkins. I'm going to keep it really simple and no fuss. And I'm also going to be adding a couple throws, and I'm gonna add the cushions to the chairs, and we're gonna call that done. everyone. So this is how it turned out. And I am very pleased. I am loving it. Simple and no fuss. So we will be having a simple breakfast here tomorrow morning, and I will try to share that with you also. Guys, I also have a package that I received from